Okay, look at this. Look at this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Chelsiejayy here. If you're new, hey girl, and if you're not new, hey girl, hey. Today we're doing a 3-in-1 get ready with me. We're gonna be doing outfit, makeup, perfume. Okay, I'm gonna show you what today's look is gonna be. Okay, and it's giving like date night. Honestly, it's giving like don't want to do too much, or dinner. It's giving dinner, like it's giving. Can't wait for you guys to get into this 3-in-1 get ready with me. So let's just go ahead and get into it. Whenever I sit down and have my hair up like this, girl, we doing a chit chat. Okay, I do have a new wig on, y'all. I always hate how new wigs like look on me, like the first, like your first cutting the lace and stuff like that. It never looks, because I'm not a hairstylist, okay, so it never looks like 100% completely natural. So but let me tell you something, the baby hairs, get into it. Your girl knew what she was doing with the baby hairs, okay, but everything else, disregard. I'm filming on my vlogging camera, so hopefully that doesn't bother you. I actually like filming on my vlogging camera recently. So yeah, really gonna be a tutorial because again, I don't do like dramatic looks anymore, y'all. It's more so just basic, you know, your basic face. Okay, it's not gonna be like a full-on, you know, heavy on, like heavy beat or like a new look today. So yeah, I'm just gonna be chit-chatting with y'all, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It seems as if you guys have been loving the vlogs, okay, because I love filming vlogs. I'm glad you guys are enjoying that content. Thank you so much for watching, because I know sometimes stuff does get repetitive, but you guys have been definitely holding me down and just showing love and support, and I'm gonna forever like be grateful for y'all for just, you know, showing love and just watching my videos, because you could be doing something else. So right now I'm just taking the 24-hour brow setter. This is from Benefit Cosmetics. I would use my Anastasia brow freeze, but like, look at what happened. Ghetto, like what? Don't leave your top off your stuff like me. I'm so bad at leaving my top off my makeup, because I'd be like in the midst of going somewhere, and you know how you just like be rushing and then you come back and you're like, why I do that? Like, why did I do that? Just going to do my brows. I'm gonna do this part probably off camera, because brows take extra concentration. If you know, you know. I'm just blending everything down onto my lid. If you watched my previous like makeup tutorials, you already know how I do that. Ignoring this little mirror, I was just looking at it, I said this looks so childish, but this is the only mirror like I could find, so we just gonna have to ignore this for today. But yeah, I've just been blending. I'm just blending that product down. Now I'm just taking my Becca Ever Matte primer to set my face. I'm gonna be doing a perfume haul very soon, so look out for that. It's a lot of exciting videos that are gonna be coming to my channel this month, because like I said, I'm trying to step up the content, okay? So I'm trying to make sure I'm consistent and really just putting in that quality content, so you guys can expect a lot of great things this month. And I've already started working on my perfume haul or whatever. I have like 4 more items to get that I'm looking for. Not that I'm looking for, but 4 more items that I have to pick up. I feel like as a woman, perfume, like even if you don't have like the most expensive perfume, they have so many affordable perfumes now. And I'm gonna make sure I bring some. I'm gonna make sure I talk about like some affordable perfumes as well. We do got some high-end perfumes, okay, coming in. So yeah, just be lookout for that. That's gonna be exciting. I'm gonna do an Amazon haul for real. I know I talked about me doing an Amazon haul like a few months ago, and I never got a chance to do it, but I'm dead serious, y'all. I'm gonna do it. That's coming this month, and just some more exciting stuff. So I'm excited for this content, okay? Like I love and I forgot to mention, I'm taking my Anastasia Foundation and just dragging that down. onto my skin. But yeah, I love this new content wave that I've been on, like just trying new stuff, because if you don't try, like how you know if you're good at it or not. If you are, you know, wanting to try something new, like when it comes to your content or just in your day-to-day life, just do it, okay? Because how will you know if you're really good at something if you never try, or if you are too afraid to try, you know? Now I'm just taking my beauty blender. By beauty blender, it is dirty, so don't be like me. That's probably why my face is like giving me the blues for y'all too. But I want it to be like in a nice environment, so I may do like a staycation. So yeah, that's coming up. What else is coming? It's a lot more stuff, y'all. I'm gonna take the color correcting concealer by Dior. Highly recommend this if you're looking. Only thing I like, I think I've talked about this before, they don't have a good shade range. That's like the only thing with this one, but the product itself is really good. So if you're looking to try a new concealer, try this out. I also like the Too Faced concealer, and then NARS, of course, and then I also like Tarte Shape Tape. I think that will forever be my first love. Like if you know, you know. Like if you've been a beauty girl, or if you've always been into makeup, like you already know Tarte Shape Tape was like everybody's first love. Next, I'm going to take my contour stick. This is from Anastasia, but you can use whatever contour stick you like to use. This is just my favorite. It's just my favorite right now because I've been using it for so long. And you know, like once you get used to a product and you know how that product works, you're like, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but when I know how something works, I'm like, I'm gonna keep using the same thing, because I've used a bunch of new products one time and it just didn't hit the same. I like to take the contour stick like into my brows. I feel like that makes a world of difference, y'all. So if you're looking for like a new thing to try with your makeup, try that and let me know how you like it by taking that bronzer into your brow. I feel like it just frames your face like so well, especially if you're like a natural makeup type girl, like me. When I say natural makeup, I mean that very vaguely, like how natural is this? But when I say like, I mean like neutral tones and stuff like that. So if that's you, definitely try out this technique. Next, I'm taking my Rare Beauty brush. This is like a contour brush, and I just like to pat it in. And this is the point where I do go just like a little bit closer to my lace, but I don't go too close because I don't want it to be dark. I'm just taking my beauty sponge, blending that concealer out. I also want to make a video about self-care, because I feel like self-care and being that girl is like a thing now, but it really should have always been a thing, to be honest. I just feel like I want to give y'all some of my self-care tips, and also just show y'all some of the things I like to do to get myself back leveled and get myself back to feeling like me whenever I don't feel that way. And just even the stuff I do day to day, on a day-to-day basis, just to keep myself feeling good, you know, because that's so big. Like, and it be so much going on. It be so much going on, and sometimes you get like overwhelmed. I know me, I get overwhelmed sometimes, and I just have to refocus and really just dig deep into myself and just like, you know, figure out what it is that will make Chelsea feel good today. I'm taking my Kevyn Aucoin highlighting. Of course, I think I've said this a million times, it is way too light for me, so I like to just mix it in my foundation to get the perfect shade. As you can see, like that's right where I need to be. But yeah, I just want to make a bunch of self-care videos too, because that's something that I like watching people do, and just show like different ways they implement self-care into their day-to-day, because life can be a lot sometimes. So right now we're just blending out that product underneath the eye. It may look like a lot. With the Kevyn Aucoin, you don't want to really just use too much, and to be honest, I used too much this time, but I'm just gonna blend everything out. But make sure that you just use a little bit of the Kevyn Aucoin, because it's so thick and you really can use it, can really go all the way left. You gotta blend, sis. I feel like this little mirror is giving, I don't know what it's giving, but it's not giving what it was supposed to have gave. I'm so glad that my channel is growing. Like, I can see the growth. I know I'm not at like 10K subscribers or anything like that yet, okay, because it's coming, okay? I feel it, and it's coming very, very soon. But just to see the growth of my channel, especially from all the hard work that I've been putting in, is definitely something I am enjoying right now. Like, just enjoying seeing you guys watch my videos means the world to me. So if you watch my videos, comment, girl, okay? I need to see you comment and interact with me because I really enjoy talking to y'all. All the editing and stuff is not easy, we all know. And so just seeing y'all comment and just like interact means the world. So continue to comment because, like I said, generally I reply to all comments. If I don't reply, it's because I missed it or I'm just like busy. But 9 times out of 10, I reply to all comments. So yeah, I really just appreciate y'all for just being here and rocking with your girl. I'm gonna take the Huda Beauty banana bread powder. If I sound like I'm out of breath, it's because I am. Girl, I got a waist trainer on. It's gonna be giving wet waist, okay? Wet waist. Like, Chelsea, your waist has disappeared. That's what I want to hear, okay? I'm just taking that powder puff and just setting the rest of my face. But yeah, this waist trainer, y'all, got me out of breath. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm already be out of breath because I talk like 2,000 miles a minute. And I'm working on it. I swear, it may not seem like it, but I promise you I'm working on it. But the waist trainer, I don't really need to talk to nobody. Respectfully, I don't need to have a conversation with nobody. I can barely record this video right now. Probably looks like I have a whole bunch of powder on, which I do. I do. I'm taking my Black Radiance True Complexion contour kit. You guys know this will forever be my girl. I don't care what new product come out, baby. That sculpt in the middle of that palette, it be giving, okay? It gives what it needs to give, okay? It gives like you just got off a vacation. And if I can give those vibes from Atlanta, I'ma do it, okay? So yeah, I'm just taking that powder and contouring my face. I love to look like, you know, sun-kissed and bronzed up, you know. Like sometimes we do go a little OD with this too, but it's okay. Now I'm about to clean everything up with that Huda Beauty powder and just kind of cut my cheeks a little bit just to give them a little bit more definition. Also taking that contour kit, the bronzing shade, and I'm just applying it to my lid just to give myself some color on the lid, but that's about as far as we're gonna go. This highlighting powder by Fenty Beauty. I only use this to like add some brightness under my eye because it is too light. It's in the shade Butter. As you can see, it's way too light. But I just like to take that underneath my eye and let it sit for a few just to get that brightened eye look. Just gonna set my face with this. I like to set my face using this brush lately. And as you can see, this makeup look is super easy. I don't like to do makeup looks now that are just super complicated because I don't have the patience. So I'm just setting the rest of my face with that. Then I'm going to touch up the brows and add like a few hair strokes in the front. Next, I'm going to go ahead and dust that powder away, but I'm not sweeping it harshly, like just patting it in as I go. I feel like that's another good thing to do whenever you're setting your face. Is just like do a lot of patting motions. Don't like sweep nothing away, but just pat it into the skin so that it can blend like seamlessly. So that's what I'm doing now. Next, I use the Milk Hydro Grip. This is the Grip Set Refresh spray. So it's like a refresh. It's not like an actual setting spray. So I'm gonna go on top with something else. Okay guys, so the lashes are on. Now I'm about to take my nude lipstick by KKW. Question: if you know, where can I find KKW lip liners? Because girl, they are non-existent anymore. Ulta doesn't have any. Who else doesn't have them? A lot of places do not carry the KKW lip liners anymore, and I just don't know where to find them. So if you know, or if you know like another place to order that from, and I've tried Googling, but I really didn't get anywhere. I really didn't get anywhere. So yeah, if y'all know where to find those at, let me know because I need some, because I'm out. all out. I don't know if I should go for like a pinky nude or like a nude. Nah, let's do nude. I can't find my fortune cookie lip gloss, which is something that I love. Like, y'all, I live by a fortune cookie, so I'm gonna just have to do like a pinkish nude today. This lip gloss is from the beauty supply store. It is the Nana Cocoa. Girl, I don't know. I'm gonna go on top of my dose of colors, and this is in the shade Can You Not. So I'm gonna add my blush. This is the Becca Trio palette. I don't even know if they sell this anymore, because I haven't really even bought anything from Becca in a long time, but I'm just using this to add that blush pouty look. The blush just does something, very much so something. We're giving face, okay? Y'all can't tell me that a natural beat don't do what it needs to do, okay? Look at this. I'm gonna come back once I have the finished look, and then we're gonna talk about perfume, and we're gonna show the fit. But this is the makeup look, and that's just that on that. So this is the finished look. I was going for like a classy type look with this. As you can see, the baby hairs, get into it. So yeah, let's go ahead and move into scents. I'm gonna be using the Vanilla Woods. Now I have a love-hate relationship with this, as Kyra always has great recommendations for perfumes and stuff like this. So she recommended this perfume, so I just got the rollerball just to smell it and try it out, like see how it blends. You know how different smells work with your chemistry differently. I like it, but I like to use it with my Brazilian Bum Bum cream. So that's what we're gonna mix it with, and I'm just gonna put a little bit here, a little bit there. And I guess that's the fun thing about this little rollerball situation, because you know, you can just put it where you want to put it. So yeah, I highly recommend this Brazilian Bum Bum cream if you're looking to try something new and just to level up your fragrances, because for some reason I feel like this always elevates, like when I'm trying to smell good, okay? It always takes my fragrances up a notch. And then we're gonna get into the outfit. Jewelry, we just kept it simple. I just put on some gold studs and then my JBW watch. Whenever I'm trying to dress like real classy, I like to keep my jewelry to a minimum into the outfit. And then we're gonna close out the video, and then that's gonna be it today for today's 3-in-1 get ready with me. But I did add a little bit of setting lotion to it, so let's go ahead and finish up the video. But we're giving expensive, it's giving nice and classy. Oh, this is the bag. Hopefully that was a good video, but if not, this is like my backup, so ignore my filming setup. It's a mess. I do have a waist trainer on, by the way, so if you like, girl, waist is snatched, waist trainer is helping, okay? The pants are from MYOUTFITONLINE. Shoes are Miss Lola Choutique. Bag is from Miss Lola or Misguided. But super cute, giving grown woman, giving sexy, but still I'm not showing nothing. I'm still giving what it needs to be gave, okay? So yeah, that's the outfit. Guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed my 3-in-1 get ready with me. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also share this video if you did find it helpful, or if you just found it like entertaining. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all the love. Like I say every time, thank you so much for your support. It means a lot. And yeah, that was it for this 3-in-1 get ready with me. Hopefully you enjoyed the fit, the look, the smells. We just did what we had to do, okay? The look did not come to play. But yeah, I love y'all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one.